have for you. So today we're gonna get talking about my amazing soon-to-be 2020 body transformation. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. It is New Year's Day and I'm so excited to kick off this journey. And what I love about New Year's Day is that there's so much energy in the world of just creating, starting fresh, making things better. So not only is it 2020, but we're embarking on a new decade. So for me, this decade, I turn 40. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. And so my big goal for this year is to look as good as J-Lo looked at 50 at my 40. For me right now, I'm actually the largest and the heaviest I have been in my entire life. And this is kind of crazy to me, and I haven't really like put attachment onto it because I just don't feel like myself, so I'm not thinking like this is who I really am. And that's what I honestly feel like is the best way of going about it, because this is just what happened. From January to April of this past year, I was really on my A game with my body, with my health, with my thoughts, and I was doing great. And then I totally started to binge out of control for literally the remaining 8 months. Ooh. So with that, I literally gained over 40 pounds. Like, I literally can't even process it. And I've actually had like such a detachment of these thoughts of me being this size and this weight, because it doesn't feel like me. I know it's not me. And I just was like, whatever, something just happened. Not a big deal. So it just is even more to like get it together. About a month ago, I was on YouTube and naturally a suggestion of a video came along and it was about this snake diet. So I was like, I don't know what this is. I'll click on it, whatever, it looked good. And I first was like, who in the is this guy? Like, he's crazy. But I was so captivated by him that I kept watching him. And the more I kept watching him, the more I was like, he's just trying to get a point across, and he's just really trying to be a little lewd, because it is a very serious thing if you are, I mean truly, if you are in a body state that is overweight or obese or whatnot, like literally live your best life and slim down for not only mankind, for yourself, and also just to live a very long and prosperous life, right? So the more I kept watching him, the more I was like, I'm totally into this guy. So what is the snake diet? Now, I'm not gonna go totally in depth with the snake diet because there is so much material on his YouTube channel. I'll leave the link down below for it, and literally just binge watch all of his videos. And the one thing I love about Cole Robinson, who is the Mr. Snake Diet guy, he is constantly evolving the process and the protocols that he follows just from all of his clients and him doing his own experiments on himself. I actually decided to dig in deep because I am so serious about getting down to the weight in the body that is best for me. So I decided to actually hire him as a coach. For the longest time, Cole Robinson was not accepting any kind of money. He just wants to help people live their best life. But now, since he does have such a following and just so many people, and also because he doesn't have time to waste for people who are not serious, so for him, he has decided to now charge people $100, which is totally fair for his time. So with $100, you will get a phone consult with him, and literally he will continuously help you the entire time with no extra money needed. Now, how am I gonna do this is basically I'm gonna be eating 2 times a week, and that will be Saturday and Tuesday night. So definitely on those refeeds on Saturday and Tuesday night, I will be eating as I am comfortably full. He really says eat anything that you want that's not gonna cause any sort of inflammation in your body. So naturally, I'm not gonna be eating like fast food. I normally don't eat that anyway, but I'll most likely be eating big fat steaks, you know, some vegetables. 2019 was actually a really difficult year for me, like mentally, physically, and also I had no motivation to literally do anything. I didn't even want to make videos, and I've actually even avoided like going out and seeing people that I know because I'm just embarrassed about how I look. Cole has honestly helped so many people, and he has, like I said, so many videos that can really cater this whole fasting process to you. Because for me, I don't have any sort of health issues or conditions personally, so I can just fast like a regular person and just go as needed. I highly recommend everyone checking out his videos with an open mind because he is here to help people live their best lives and just become physically fit and lean. Or as he says, you literally want to, you know, lose weight until you're ripped. So of course, ripped on your own level, whatever that means to you. Let's all empower each other to be the best that we can be every single day, and just also respect everyone's journey in their own life. Life is short, and let's all be the best that we can be. So until next time, we will see you soon.